CUVIS-joint is an advanced surgical robotic system designed for joint replacement surgery. This medical device enhances surgical outcomes through optimal surgical planning and highly precise automated bone cutting. Automated bone cutting is one of the key features of CUVIS-joint. The system executes bone cutting automatically, precisely, and meticulously according to the surgical plan, minimizing human error. The robotic arm with the cutting tool features a 6-axis joint structure, providing highly flexible and natural motion. The optical position sensor tracks the positions and movements of both the robot and the surgical site in real time, enabling higher accuracy and safer surgery. It offers unique capability to revise the surgical plan both preoperatively and intraoperatively. CUVIS-joint enables procedures that are more precisely tailored to the patient's clinical conditions. In addition, CUVIS-joint incorporates various implant information from a wide range of brands, enabling the operating surgeons a wider selection of appropriate implant for different patients. CUVIS-joint surgical workflow begins with establishing a surgical plan using the dedicated planner, followed by registration of the plan with the actual patient data, automated bone cutting, implant insertion, and final check of the joint gap. To create the surgical plan, a CT scan of the patient is required. The CT data are transferred to the dedicated planner to generate a three-dimensional model. And a patient-specific surgical plan is created by considering lower limb alignment, joint gap, and the orientation and angles of the implant. Before surgery, the robot is set up and the incision is made. After the incision, the surgeon registers key points on the femur and tibia using on-screen guidance, aligning the patient's actual bone anatomy with the CT data. Before bone cutting, the joint gap is assessed to achieve proper soft tissue balance. Based on the finalized surgical plan, automated bone cutting is executed within safe, predefined boundaries. Depending on the surgeon's judgment, either full or partial bone resection can be chosen. The pre-selected implant inserted onto the neatly resected bone surface. And finally, the joint gap checking to ensure the surgery has been successfully completed. Sub-millimeter precision cutting, a wide selection of implants, easy modification of the surgical plan, high accuracy in lower limb alignment for safer and more precise joint replacement surgery. CUVIS-joint.